And here's a live steam model, not fired up obviously, but it's a 757. Oops, pardon. It's got the little nozzles. Mostly like, you know, an actual Burke. It's got the Johnson bar. Little miniature throttle. Johnson bar on the brakes. There and there. Not sure what this is. Steam air pressure system. But this is one of those ones you fire up and you can ride on. Take a long time to build. Very expensive. Oops. Even has an air pedal on it, looks like, to open the firebox. Someone spent a lot of time on this one.
7 years.
Wow.
7 years.
That's how long it took to build this?
Yes.
Wow. You built this? Sorry?
Mine's in San Bernardino.
Oh, San Bernardino.
California.
Yeah, no, I know where San Bernardino is.
Mine's 777.
I see. That was the last one the Lima built, wasn't it? Or no, that was 779, wasn't it?
779, no.
Yeah. They have that in Park in Lima, don't they?
I'm sorry?
779, that's in Lima. That's the one in the park there.
They're rusting away.
Unfortunately. Yeah, they sure spent a lot of time on this one.